Hello everyone, my name is Toad. Today I'm going to talk about paper airplanes and maths. A book out of paper and liberty now for paper airplanes. And of course, this isn't set max, expensive, large if we don't max it out. So that's right, we're going to make a giant paper airplane. I'm going to the Artano Science Center to do just that. Phil, I'm so sorry. Okay, here's Justin. I never know where Spark is going to spin me out. It is Science Center, right? Well, that's right. In fact, you learned it in our paper airplane laboratory. That's what happened to Justin. I have to make a fold it perfectly, but then it flies like that or like this, and I don't know how to fix it. Okay, well, that will happen. But one, the airplane can fly, and I could teach you how to control each and one. Wait, let's do it. Max, present how to fly your paper airplane. It's in your paper airplane around and around. Well, that's what you call rotum. Roll is what you call it. Any plane move like this or like this. You know how to fix it. You bend the back one of wing to create more lift on one side. And it's balanced out. Happy days. So let me try mine. Wait, what? Doesn't go straight up or straight down. So you have a problem with pitch. Pitch is when your airplane moves like this or like this. To fix it, bend the end of both wings up and if you pitch down or down, it will pitch up. And then wait in the nose so it will help. You got a problem with high pitch. Wait, that's it. Okay, here we go. Is the plane turning like this way or like that way? No, yeah. Yaw is when your airplane moves like this or like this. To fix it, bend the back of the plane to the rudder of the boat. Okay, great. Let me try mine. Not bad, you try yours. Oh yeah, that was pretty cool. That's what I want. So, what I want is you ready to build giant paper airplane? I don't think I am. Fantastic. I just need one more expert. It will be right back. Cool. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.